the Coleman 6-person instant cabin tent. We'll go over key features, pros and cons,
and price. We're here at Boulder Beach Campground inside the Lake Mead National Recreation Area.
This is one of our favorite campgrounds in the Las Vegas area. It has plenty of bathrooms, a full-service marina, and with the lake on the rise, swimming at Boulder Beach has become a lot more enjoyable. Let's get this thing out of the box. Another box. Here's what comes in the box. We've got the warranty information. We got some really crappy tent stakes. We have the tent itself, and we got the carry bag. Let's set this thing up in real time and give you a sense of how long it takes to set this thing up. The instructions say 60 seconds, but I don't think so. Time. 2 minutes and 17 seconds.
So it took us about 2 minutes total time to set it up staked. Just to put it up was about 60 seconds, so that is correct on the box as far as that goes.
Rainflies do not come with this tent, but I picked this one up for 30 bucks off of Amazon.
Pretty sure.
Let's check out the inside. Both the Rainfly and the actual tent have built-in gussets for anchoring in high wind. No tent poles to set up here because they're already attached. The built-in roof vents open up to let air out of the top of the tent.
Tent stakes. The ones that come with the Coleman Instant Tent are pretty useless. If you go to a big box store, spend under $1 a piece, you get a solid 8-inch galvanized nail that works great as a tent stake.
Let's go over some of the pros and cons for this tent.
They're beginner friendly and easy to set up.
I'm 6'6" and I can easily change my clothes in there.
These tents hold up well in the wind and are extra durable as well.
We have had several of these tents for 6 or 7 years now.
This is not a backpacking tent. At 28 pounds, strictly car camping.
And with a 10 by 9 footprint, calling this a 6-person tent is a stretch.
Another con is the Rainfly, which is not included.
What about the price? At $200? This is certainly a camping investment. Who is this tent a good fit for?
Who isn't this tent a good fit for? Small families, couples.
Even a single person can use this tent. We'll put an affiliate link in the description down below, and if you choose to buy one of these tents through our link, it really helps out the channel. Thanks for watching.
This is not a backpacking tent. You will not be carrying this around on your back. You're going to be putting this in your trunk. Is this tent going to fit your trunk? Tent stakes, the ones that come with the tent, are garbage. Garbage. Who isn't this tent a good fit for? Single families? Couples?
Single families?
Small families?
So like a single family home?